Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, if you are looking for an order grabbing website, then you are on the right place. In this video, I am here with the new amazing order grabbing website source code. So in this video, I will completely make this website from scratch and I will completely guide you about this website. And viewers, first of all, we will look at its home page, its user panel, then we will explore its admin panel in this video, and at last I will completely make this website and install this script on my hosting server, so you can see how we will install this script. So this installation of this script is very easy and it's very easy to use and completely user friendly website. And viewers, before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do subscribe to my channel and like the video. And if you want to buy this script from us, or if you need the complete end-to-end ready website, the both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us and we will build what you want. And if you need any other type of design, many order grabbing designs are available. You can visit our channel and contact us as well. So let's start this video without wasting much more time. So viewers, first of all, let's log into the user panel of this website and let's see how we can log in. So I'm going to login option. Here you can see this is the user login page. If user already have an account, user have to enter its details and user can log in. But if user don't have an account, user must have to go to register page and user have to register by filling all these details. So currently I already have an account, so I'm not gonna register. So I will enter my login details in order to log in. So here I will enter my username, and here in the password section I will enter my password. So let me just enter the password in the correct manner. So after entering these details, click on login, and you can see that we have successfully logged into the user panel of this website. So viewers, you can see that this is our amazing homepage of this website, and user can change these banners. Whatever is on the homepage is changeable. So banners are also changeable. You can use your own banner, logo, each and everything that is here. You can change this line as well. Here is help center. User can go to your Telegram channel. When user will click on help center for support, here you can go to invite friend, and you can invite your friend using your link. This is basically a referral link. Using this link you can invite your friends and other people, and you can also earn referral commission on your referrals. So here is help center, here is download APK, so you can attach your APK with it. So we also built the APKs, so if you need the app of this website, we will build it and attach it here. So that's not the issue. Here is video tutorial. You can add video tutorial about your business. You can go to about us section to view about this website. So this is all the about. You can add it from admin, and same is this banner is also changeable. Now let's go to level section. So these are all the VIP plans that are on your website. You can subscribe to any plan, and here if you go to first plan, here is $50 plan. So 0.05 earning on each grab you will get. So daily earning is 2.50 USD, and total grabs is 50 times. So here in this plan you will get 50 grabs, so you can grab orders 50 times. Same, you can view other plans as well, and you can create these plans from admin panel. It's very easy to create a plan. I will completely guide you how you can do it. Just watch this video till the end and we will completely explore these things. So viewers, now let's go back to here grabbing page. So here you can see this is the grab page from where user will grab daily orders. So you can see your total balance, grabbed total, and here you can see your total profits. So here you can also list the detailed task, how you will do it, user will do it. So when user will click on grab now, so you can see order is grabbing, and here it is grabbed successfully. So here you can see that we have get the $0.50. So you have to click on collect, and amount is collected successfully. So here you can see that we have grabbed 2 out of 15 for today, and you can see your profit for today as well. So this is how user can grab orders daily and earn money, and This is a contact section, so user can generate the tickets and contact with the admin from here. So this is how user can generate the tickets. And there is a profile section, so you can view all the things about your profile here. So first of all, you can see your total balance, total profit wallet, and the plan you have subscribed, crystal plan that we have subscribed. And here is deposit section. So let me show you the deposit section. So here you can see there are currently two gateways, Binance and Bcash, but you can use as many as gateways you want. Just select the gateway, enter the amount you want to recharge. You will see all the details of it and charges. And here you can easily enter TRX ID and send screenshot to the admin, and admin will approve your recharge option. So you can list each and everything from here. So here when you go to team member, you can see all your referral link and team over here that we explored before. Here is withdrawal section, so you can withdraw your amount using any of the gateway. Currently there is one gateway, but I will show you how you can create multiple gateways from admin. Similarly, here you can see total deposit, total withdrawals. Here you can view all your account information. So here you can view all those things from here. Your profile details, you can change your password. Here you can view all your commission logs in this section. So you can view all your commission logs like referral commissions, etc. Here you can see your deposit history in this section. So this is the deposit history, withdrawal history. You can see your team, two-factor authentication, and you can log out. So this are all about the user panel of this website, viewers. Now we will go to admin panel, and I will show you how we can completely control this website from the admin panel. So I'm logging out from user panel so we can go easily to the user panel. So admin panel. So from here to go to admin panel, we will type the URL like /admin. So it will redirect us to the admin panel. So as I was already logged in, so I have just logged out again. So here to log into admin panel, you have to enter your username and password in order to log into the admin panel. And viewers, here you can see that the script is installed on my subdomain demo5.scriptsmasher.com. so you can view it over here. So to log into admin panel, here you have to enter your username of admin and password for the admin panel. So after entering these details, click on login, and it will log you into the admin panel of this website. So this is the amazing admin panel for this website. You can view each and every detail of website over here. So you can see total users, total VIP levels, total joined users, email unverified users, and total deposits, pending deposit, deposit charges. Each and everything is in front of you. You can view all those things over here on the home page. So if admin want to change details for admin panel, you can do it from here. Here you can see the total notifications over here. So this is how you can see all the notifications. And sorry for this, let me go back to dashboard. So viewers, now let's explore some other options of the admin panel. So viewers, here when we scroll it, and here you can see there is a manage admin option. So you can create multiple admins of the website from here. And here's the referral commission option. So you can set multiple levels of commission on bonus and grabbing bonus. So from here you can set as many as levels of commission you want to, and you can set that commission for referrals. Here are VIP levels. So from here you can set the plans on the website. So viewers, currently there are 4 plans on the website, but if you want to create the new plan, suppose I want to create the basic plan for 20 USD, daily grab profit is 0.60 USD, and grab limit is 10. So from here you can create a new plan on your website. So currently you can see that we have successfully created the basic plan also. So this is the at last you can see in the last basic plan. So this is how you can easily create a order grabbing plans on your website. Now here is manage product option. So you can also upload different products on the website for grabbing. So enter the product name, product image, and product price, and you can easily create a product for the order grabbing. Here are some PTC reports, so you can leave it because it's an order grabbing website. Here you can manage all the users on the website. So currently there are 3 users, and here you can go to details, and here you can manage all the users. You can view their details, verify their KYC and all these things. And you can also add or subtract balance to user account from here. So you can add balance and subtract balance also from the user account. So this is how you can manage the users on the website. And you can see all the users with VIP plans that subscribe to, so those will be appeared over here. So here is payment gateway option. So there are two options for you: automatic payment gateways or manual payment gateways. So you can use any of the gateway you want. So if you want to create a manual, so when you click on manual gateway, you will see two gateways like Binance and Bcash. If you want to create new manual gateway, just click on add new. And when you click on add new, here you will see that you can make the gateway. Just input the image, gateway name, currency, rate, and you can easily create your own gateway for this. So this is how you can create a manual payment gateway on your website. So I'm going back from here. So here you will see all the deposit request will be appeared right here. So all the deposit requests will be appeared right here, and you have to approve them or reject them. It depends on you. Same is the case. Here is a withdrawal method, so you can create withdrawal methods easily from here. So here are support tickets. You can view the support tickets of the users. And here is a general settings option from where you can change the name of website, currency of website, and color of website. So you can, each and everything is changeable. From system configuration, you can turn on off different main settings of the website from here. So this is also completely depends on you. You can turn them on off from here. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website, and you can insert your own logo over here. From extension, you can insert different extension. From language, you can use multiple languages on the website, like you can use any of your current country language. From SEO, you can manage the SEO, and these are some other details like you can manage notification, manage pages. From different sections, you can edit all the sections that are on your website. Each and everything is editable. And here you can turn on off maintenance mode and GDPR cookie and some other things. So viewers, these are all about the overview of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I will completely show you how you can make this complete end-to-end website. So now we will go to our hosting server and we will completely install that. Before moving towards the video, I would request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel as well. So now let's go and let's install this script. So viewers, here you can see that I am on my Hostinger Edge panel dashboard, and I have successfully logged into hosting panel. And viewers, now here we will install our order grabbing website script. So I will completely show you how you can make your own order grabbing website in this video, as I already guided you about this overview of that website. Now we will install that script on our hosting, and I will show you how easily you can make your own order grabbing website. First of all, if you are using cPanel, Edge panel, or any other hosting, you have to log into that hosting cPanel or Edge panel. Now what you have to do is you will see there is an option of file manager. So you have to go to file manager option, and it will redirect you to your public HTML folder. So here you can see that this is our public HTML folder. Viewers, now what you have to do is you have to go inside this public HTML folder, and I will install it on my subdomain. So here you can see that this subdomain is completely empty, and we will just install our script here on our domain. So now to upload your script, just go to this section, and there is an option to upload the file here. So you have to select the file, and we will just select our file quickly from our computer, and then we will just move towards the installation process. So here I have successfully uploaded the file, and now it is uploading into our root directory of hosting panel. So here you can see that it is uploading, and you can also see the time for uploading it will take. So it is uploading all the files of order grabbing, so it will take some time. Here it is showing it will take 2 minutes, but it will depends on your internet connection how much time the upload will take. If you have a good internet connection, it will not take much time, and it will upload soon. So it's around, the file size is around 90 MB, I think 90 to 100 MB its size is between this. So it will upload soon. And viewers, if you want to buy this script, or if you need complete end-to-end website where you don't have to do nothing, you can contact us on WhatsApp, Telegram, and if you need any other design for order grabbing, you can just let us know, and we will show you all the things. So if you buy from us, you will get the complete support, so you don't need to worry about anything. We will handle all the things for you. We also built the apps for the websites. So it is still remaining like 55 seconds are still remaining. So I think we have to create the database, so it will be uploaded in that time. So first of all, let's go to our Hostinger edge panel here. So let's create the database file for our that website. So you have to go to databases, and here you can see there is option of management. Now from here we will create the database for our website. So I am creating database with this name, but you can use any of the database name and username. Enter the password and click on create. Your database will be created. So it is created successfully. You can see it is showing database has created successfully. So let's see whether it is uploaded or not. So it has uploaded successfully. Now you can see it's around 80 MB size of this order grabbing website. And viewers, now what you have to do is script has uploaded successfully, and now database has also created. So we will just click on extract, and we will extract all the files of the script into root directory. So here you can see that all the files are extracted successfully. Now here you can see there is a database file, so we will download our file from here. And now viewers, what we have to do is we will go to our management folder here. Here go to enter PHP my admin option. So you have to go to that enter PHP my admin option, and we will first upload the database. So viewers, here we will just upload our database file quickly. So click on import, and you will see that all the files are uploaded successfully. All the queries are uploaded successfully into our into database. Now copy this name of database from here, and there are both username and database name. You can copy them, and here we will go to our .core folder, and here we will go to our .env file. So we will go to .env, and here we will enter all our database details. So enter all your details, and here you have to enter your password. After entering your password, there is something that is left, which is our URL. So you will have to enter the URL of your website over here on which you are creating the website. So this is done. So viewers, now let's see whether our website is live or not. So I will click on it, and you can see that our website has created successfully. So here you can see that our website is live now. And viewers, now this is how you can create this website. So it's very simple to create, and as I completely showed you everything in the video, so you can see our website is live, and here is contact section. Now to log into contact, we first have to log in. So here is login button, so option. So I will click on login. Here you have to click on a register button, and you have to first register your account, and then you can easily log in. So I'm using it in PC currently, so this is how you can use it in mobile. Let me show you. So this is how. So as I already guided you each and everything about this website, so I think there will be no confusion left about this. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with other people who need this type of websites. And viewers, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, be happy.